Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another game board review. So let's have a look at this one. This time it's an MB Games game, Stay Alive. Now if you don't know what this is, marbles were a big thing in the 70s and the 60s, and I'm pretty much quite old anyway. So this was a challenge for 4 people. You could do 2, where each person would control either side, but you had to get your colour marbles through, and I'll show you this now. The box art's just basically a couple of kids, and that on the side, and on the inside, full instructions. If you want to read them, pause now. There we go. I think this is from 1978, this. I'm not quite sure. Actually, 1975 says at the bottom there. So it's older than you think. Now, I've not really got to take this out of the box. I can keep it here. There's nothing in the box anyway. No, this game belongs to certain persons. Right, you'll start off the game with everything in the middle. And you should have 5 of each, but I've only got 4 blacks, so you probably put them randomly. You'd pick a colour. Obviously with this game now, I would pick black, because black's quite easy to do, and you've got one missing anyway. Actually, it might even be inside. It's there actually. Oh no. Oh, another blue one too. So you'd put them all on the ones that are covered. Quite randomly. And what you do, say player 1's here, player 2, player 3, player 4. You would then move these across, but then that moves this white part across, which drops nothing down. Player 2 would go, which drops the red down. For some reason it's gone there. Player 3 could possibly, I can get a white one down there if I go there, or a blue one. Player 4 maybe, I'm not sure you can use, I think you can only use 1 pull across anyway on these. So I'll do that, that brings that one down. The first one with all the colours gone would win the game. Orange, let's have a look, that can go there. Oh no, there's white behind it, so that's the trouble. You thought there was, I thought behind this one, because they're an orange, didn't realise the white one was still there. The next one is going to be pull on that one to get that blue one through. Alright, so let's have a look, that one there. Got one green one through. You would pick the colours, obviously you'd be like black, blue, red, green, and you'd know which one it is. I don't know which one what is at the moment anyway. I'll drop 2 through, oh good. Oh, well done. So you just continue to take turns, that moved, no, take turns in the game. Would it been, if it was a 2-player game, it would have been easy because you can actually move the whites and the oranges. So let's pretend it's a 2-player game from now on. So that's player 1, that's player 2. So let's start with this one. You can move 1 at a time, so I've got rid of 2 of those. And then player 2 can go that one. Didn't do anything anyway because the whites were in the way. So you get the point. You just basically move all these until every single one falls through. And I'm really struggling actually. It's quite a good thinking game because you don't exactly know, because you've got this plastic part here has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes there in a row on the red. But you move it across, and now you've only got 2 showing. Quite a good little intelligent little game. I used to love playing this as a kid. Really, really nice, clever little game. So there you go, Stay Alive. So thanks for watching. Go out, buy one. I'm sure these are still actually available on something like Amazon, if you can find them. But if not, then keep yourself busy. I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I've got plenty of daft videos on the channel anyway, so have fun, play more games, and I'll see you in a new video. Bye for now.